Hi guys, I've been on a breakfast burrito kick in New York, and today we're at Isle of Us on the Upper East Side, and this is theirs. It has potatoes. The eggs look really like good quality farm eggs, cheese, and I think those are like scallions and jalapenos, and then they give the salt on the side. Let's do a little bit. The eggs are really fluffy, and I like the kick that this salsa gives. The potatoes just taste like really good home roasted classic potatoes. I'm enjoying this. It actually is pretty spicy. I had Best Damn Breakfast Burrito the other day in East Village. That one I prefer a little more. It's more your like straightforward one with avocado. Kind of missing that avocado in here. And the scallions, I like the flavor, but the texture inside of this isn't my favorite, but it is really good and different. I got it with a matcha, oat milk, vanilla.